If you want to curl your hair at home in less than 5 minutes, without chemicals and tools, this video is for you. To begin with, it is better to wash and dry your hair. Now using vegetable oil, like olive or coconut oil. Apply a little oil on your head and then massage, in these two ways like I did. First step. Massage your head in a circular motion. With your fingertips. If you do this method gently, it will cause blood circulation and hair growth. The second step. Now massage the head in circular motion with your palms. Continue these two methods for 2 to 3 minutes. The work does not end here and there is one more important step left. With just one like you can help me a lot and motivate me. Please like this video. Thank you kindly. Great. Now just cover your head. You can do this with both a bathing cap and a normal cap. And there is no problem. This method is much better than chemical methods. After less than 10 minutes you can easily see the result. Let's go to see the result. I easily curled my hair in 10 minutes without chemicals or tools. I myself liked this model. I suggest you try it, you will probably like it. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race. Thank you for giving me energy by liking.